Choosing an aerobic treatment unit when siting a septic system for a tiny house requires matching treatment capacity, discharge requirements, and maintenance needs to the constrained lot and occupancy pattern. Select packaged aerobic treatment units that are sized for low flow and intermittent use, and look for models that allow modular upgrades so capacity can be increased without replacing the whole unit. Calculate design flow using occupancy and fixture count rather than typical 3-bedroom defaults. For a one-person tiny house, assume a design flow of around 60 to 100 gallons per day, and for a two-person house, use roughly 120 to 200 gallons per day depending on fixtures. Use a recirculating sand filter or a textile filter after the aerobic unit when site soil or setback limits do not permit a conventional drain field, because these filters provide additional solids and biological polishing in a compact footprint. For owners planning any type of gray water reuse or tight discharge limits, add ultraviolet disinfection or a controlled chlorination contact chamber after the final filter to reliably reduce pathogen levels. Ultraviolet is low maintenance but requires stable power, while chlorination requires careful residual monitoring. Establish a service contract with a trained operator or company that includes quarterly inspections, annual filter backwash or replacement as specified by the manufacturer, and a clear response time for alarms or failures. Tiny house owners often travel, and regular professional checks prevent long-term system degradation. Finally, size tanks and pumps to accommodate peak intermittent load, include alarm and high water protection, and keep easy access to control panels and air compressors to simplify routine maintenance. The three most common mistakes are underestimating daily and peak flows, which leads to overloaded biological processes, so always use conservative flow estimates and include a reserve factor. Second is neglecting regular air blower and filter maintenance, which causes oxygen-limited conditions and rapid failure, so put maintenance reminders on a calendar and contract out seasonal blower checks. Third is improper siting that ignores setbacks and replacement area for filters or secondary treatment, so confirm local permitting setbacks and plan for modular placement so you can relocate or expand treatment trains if required. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like advanced treatment unit selection and tiny house septic planning, so we can find qualified local professionals and share real-world experiences. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange installation tips, maintenance practices, and supplier recommendations to help everyone make better choices.